Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on my 2018 GMC Sierra 1 ton. In the previous episode I took this whole front end off of my pot truck to be able to rebuild my rollover truck. But before I can install the parts I need to sandblast them. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. I'm gonna get this Ford off of the garage or pull it inside. Basically I need to close that door, cover that corner with the tarp so I can have more area to work with and collect the sand so I can reuse it. I don't have to go back to Home Depot and purchase more sand. And after I'll finish sandblasting all the parts, I'll jump in on a cap and continue working. We'll do everything that needs to be done before I can pull out this cap. Anyway, let's start covering that corner and start sandblasting. That's it. A few minutes later, my corner is ready. So now let's hook up the air hose and start sandblasting all the parts that I have and that was burnt. It'll take us a couple hours to do it. Let's start. Oh man, guys, it took me all day to sandblast 3 parts. So the core support is ready and both fenders are ready. What's left is battery, passenger side battery bracket and driver side battery bracket, and I believe that's it. Oh, actually grill support needs to be sandblasted, so 3 more parts to go. Probably another 3-4 hours. That's something I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. But yeah, those parts, I don't know if it's enough light. This is the fender, sandblasted inside out. The paint starts from here, so I'll use a DA and sand this off. A little bit paint over there. Rest of it is sandblasted. Core support is sandblasted completely. There's a few things left which wasn't burning, so I didn't want to spend time to sandblast those areas that wasn't burning, so I'll just gonna repaint it. That's it. Anyway guys, that's all I can do today. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, I'm about 20-30 miles away from Portland. I picked up the bed. I wasn't able to film it there, but now I'm at the rest area. There's a rest area that known next to Portland, that where's the big waterfall. Now let's go see the cab, not the cab, the bed, in which condition it is. You can see. So this is the bed I picked up. It's in really good condition, and the price was right for it also. $600 for the bed. You can't beat that price. $600. And this bed came off. He told me that was never been installed, and it's a brand new. They bought it for a Chevy, but I can see kind of over here it's been installed. Maybe I'm wrong, but oh well. It's a little bit filthy, but it's in really good condition. For $600 you can't beat the price. It's in nice condition. I checked every single body line, make sure there is no dents and all that, but even though junkyards asking anywhere from $1,500 to $2,500, and here's the waterfall, if I can zoom in on it. Yep, this park knows, I don't know, I don't remember what is it name, but it's about 20-30 miles away from Portland. Anyway, we're basically about, I would say, 300 miles away still. Still 5 hours to go, still 5 hours more to go. Gonna get home late. I'm already tired of driving. I had to stop by Ellensburg, then I had to go in Portland, actually Vancouver. They're next to each other. Man, this trip was kind of pain in the butt, but what can you do? I had to stop by in those two cities, do my business. It's done. Now let's go home and start working on this GMC.